Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will tell you how to add the on-demand delivery feature to your app. The on-demand delivery feature allows users to schedule pickup of the products and get it delivered to their desired destination right on time. Let's see how it is done. Here we will show you how you can add the on-demand delivery page to your new app. Now click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. Once you have selected the desired pricing plan and installed the app, all our features will be unlocked. Click on Start Editing to add on-demand delivery page. If you see that the on-demand delivery page is already added to your app, click on it. If you do not, click on View All, search for On-Demand Delivery, and click on the page to add it to your app. The existing app users can add the on-demand delivery page in the exact same way. Now let's take a look at all that you can do with the newly added on-demand delivery page. This is your page name. If you want, you can change it. From here, you can change the page icon. You can select a solid icon, an outline icon, an image from our library, or add your own custom icon image. You can even upload 2 different images for a mobile app and the website. Now let's move to Content section. Click on Configure for configuring on-demand delivery. This is your one-time setup. First comes General Settings. Select the country you want, and the settings will configure to the country you select. Select the distance units, the city radius you're in, the currency code, and maximum booking radius. Hit Save and Next. The next section is Regions. You will see your selected country here. Now enter the region where you want to enable on-demand delivery. Hit Save and Next. Next comes Shipping Rules. Select the region again. Now select the vehicle type. Select the minimum and maximum distance and enter the delivery charge desired. Be sure to select the mode that is percentage or fixed. Click on the plus button to add multiple distances. From here, you can delete the distance. Tick this checkbox to add delivery charges like handling charges, minimum charges, and other custom charges. You can also add more options by clicking on the plus button. From here, you can delete the field. Click on Save to add this delivery rule. Click on Add Delivery Rules to add multiple delivery rules. Once done, click on Next. Now comes Delivery Boys. Here you will add the information of the delivery boys. Enter the first name, last name, email, password, phone number, assign their vehicle type, provide their vehicle registration number, license number, vehicle model name, address, region, city, zip code, country, passport number, and status. Click here to add a profile picture of the delivery boy if you would like. From here you can upload the documents of the delivery boy. Click Save when you're finished. You will be redirected to On-Demand Delivery Dashboard. Here you will see the complete setup of an on-demand delivery feature. You can also check the status of each step or edit or change them from here. You can even manage all of these settings from Admin section. Click on Manage Admin. This is your on-demand delivery admin dashboard. Here you can check total bookings, completed bookings, total earnings, and today's bookings. Click on Manage Bookings. Here you can check all of your bookings. Click on Manage Delivery Boys, and here you can manage all of your delivery boys registered with your app. Here you will see the person that you added earlier, and from here you can change the status of the delivery boy. Click on Add New Delivery Boy to add multiple delivery boys. You can reset the delivery boy settings from here. If you want, you can add the record of this delivery boy from here. Click on this icon to edit or update delivery boy. Click here to view delivery boy's details. From here, you can delete the delivery boy. If you want to log out this delivery boy, click here. You can also track your delivery boys and get their reports. Now click on Revenue. Here you can check the transaction history, including total revenue of today, total revenue of the last 7 days, and total revenue of the last 30 days. Now click on Company. Enter the company's name. From here, you can upload your company logo. In the Contact Support section, you can add your contact details. Simply select the contact type and enter the information in the contact value field. Click on Add More to add multiple contact details. Click Save when you are finished. Now click on Region. Here you can manage all of your added regions. And you can change the status of the region from here. Click on Add New Region to add multiple regions. To reset the region, click here. From here, you can deactivate the record of this region. If you want, you can delete the region from here. Next, click on Manage Settings. Here are some general settings, like auto approval bookings, auto approve delivery boys, advanced bookings, and etc., which you can turn on and off depending on what you would like. Click Save when you are finished. Under Manage Options, you can manage vehicle type, object type, and content. Now click on Default Schedule. Here you can change the schedule to how you would like. Click Apply to All if you want the same hours every day. Click on Open and select the working hours if you would like to be open on Saturdays and Sundays. Click Close if you would like to be closed on a specific day. Select Edit Automatically for separate date. For this feature, you can select certain days, such as holidays, and adjust the schedule to what fits your needs. Next comes Coupons. Here you can add and manage the coupons. Under Language Settings, you can change the wording on your app or leave it as it is. Under the CMS page, you can add terms and conditions as well as a privacy policy. Click on Configurations and enable GPS tracking via Google Maps. For that, you will need to provide the PubNub publish key and subscribe key. Click on the information icon and follow our tutorial, how to get PubNub publish key and subscribe key in on-demand delivery, to easily obtain these keys. Now copy and paste these keys in their respective fields here. Click on Save to continue. Next comes Payment Settings. Here you can add different payment methods like Cash on Delivery, PayPal Express, PayPal Payments, Pro, Pay with credit card over the phone, and credit card via Stripe Payment Gateway. Once you have selected the payment method you would like, click Save when you are finished. Under Shipping and Tax, you can add or edit delivery rules. From here, you can change the status of a delivery rule. Click on Add Delivery Rules to add multiple rules. From here, you can deactivate the record of this delivery rule. Click here to edit the delivery rule. And from here, you can delete the delivery rule. Now click on Discount Rule, and you can add a discount rule if you would like. Now click on Tax, and from here you can add tax for your on-demand delivery system. Under Miscellaneous Tax, you can add multiple other miscellaneous taxes. Let's add a discount rule for now. Click on Add Discount Rule. A pop-up window, Add Discount Rule, will open. Enter total amount, select the rule, select rate, provide discount amount, and set the status of the rule as you would like. Once you are finished, click on Save. From here, you can change the status of the discount rule. Click on Add Discount Rule to add multiple rules, and from here you can deactivate the discount rule. Click here to edit this discount rule, and from here you can delete the discount. Now let's add tax. Click on Add Tax. A pop-up window, Add Tax, will open. Enter the total amount, select the rule, select rate, provide tax amount, and set the status of the tax. Once you are finished, click on Save. From here, you can change the status of the tax. Click on Add Tax to add multiple taxes. You can deactivate the tax from here if you would like. Click on Edit this tax, and from here you can delete it. Now let's add Miscellaneous Tax. Click on Add Miscellaneous Tax. A pop-up window, Add New Miscellaneous Tax, will open. Enter the total amount, select the rate, provide tax amount, and set the status how you would like. Once you are finished, click on Save. From here, you can change the status of the miscellaneous tax. Click on Add Miscellaneous Tax to add multiple taxes. And from here, you can deactivate the tax. Click here to edit it, and from here, you can delete the tax. Last but not least, disputes. Here you can manage all your reported and resolved disputes. Now back to the My Features. Let's check out page style and color scheme now. From here you can change page elements color, font style, and font size how you would like. This checkbox to hide page borders. Once you are finished, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.